Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into a fascinating legal battle brewing between authors and Meta, all centered around AI training data and, surprisingly, BitTorrent. It's a wild ride.
Wild is an understatement. I've been following this case, and the torrenting angle is completely unexpected. So authors are suing Meta for using their copyrighted books to train AI models, right?
Exactly. Multiple authors, including big names like Richard Kadrey and Sarah Silverman, are accusing Meta of using pirated books from sources like LibGen to train its AI. Meta admitted to using unofficial sources, but claimed fair use.
The classic fair use defense. But what's the new twist with BitTorrent?
That's where it gets juicy. The authors discovered Meta used BitTorrent to download these pirated books from LibGen and, crucially, they allege Meta seeded the files, meaning they shared copies with other users, significantly expanding the copyright infringement.
Whoa, seeding. That's a whole new level of infringement. It's not just using the books, it's actively distributing them. I see.
Precisely, the judge agreed, allowing the authors to amend their complaint to include these torrenting allegations. Now they're trying to compel Meta to hand over its BitTorrent logs and seeding data.
That's a bold move. I imagine Meta is fighting this tooth and nail. What's their argument?
Meta argues that using books from third-party sources, even if pirated, is already known and doesn't justify this new discovery request. They're essentially saying, we already admitted to using questionable sources, this is just more of the same.
But the difference is the distribution, right? Seeding those files via BitTorrent changes the game. It's not just using the data. It's actively participating in its illegal distribution.
Exactly. The authors argue this significantly strengthens their case and weakens Meta's fair use defense. It's a fascinating legal battle that could set a precedent for how AI companies use data in the future.
Absolutely. This case could have huge implications for the entire AI industry. It's not just about Meta, it's about the ethical and legal implications of using massive datasets for AI training. Interesting.
Indeed. The outcome will likely influence how other companies approach data sourcing for AI development, and the judge's decision to allow the authors to pursue this seeding angle suggests the court is taking these allegations seriously.
It's a pivotal moment for the intersection of copyright law and AI. We'll definitely be keeping an eye on this one. This is a really complex case with far-reaching consequences.
Absolutely. And that's all the time we have for today's Tech Bytes and News. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you next time with more of the latest tech news. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.